Alright, here we are. Welcome back, Crew Empire. We are in Las Vegas for the USBC Masters. Hi, Tommy. Fresh off of NAI National Championship with Scad Savannah. Absolute unreal week, but now we're in Las Vegas. We got in yesterday. Today's the first day of qualifying. And bowled on 44 feet, 33-ish mils. Pretty similar shape to last year. We learned a bunch from last year and the couple events that I've bowled out here now between the US Open twice and the Masters last year. We've learned a little bit more, learned about what we like to see, learned how I can see the lane a little bit better when I come out here to strike a little bit more and give myself a better opportunity to make the number. Had practice yesterday through a bunch of a crypto boom that I actually drilled at the US Open, and it's a ball that I've absolutely loved since I drilled it, and I used it on the 39-foot pattern that we bowled on there, and I've used it in my college bag, I've used it in some other outside tournaments as well, and it gave me what I felt like was the best shape, and I needed some options that were going to be a little bit stronger. So I went on the truck, drilled a Hazmat and a Black Widow 2.0 hybrid that were some two stronger options just in case, I need something that's a little bit more ball. I've got a little bit more ball that I can see the lane pretty similarly to that crypto boom. That was the big ball I threw in practice. I threw the Tundra Fire a little bit, but not really a crazy amount. That'll be probably a burn ball. The morning squad bowls on the fresh, the afternoon squad bowls on the burn, and then the night squad bowls on the fresh again. I bowl on the burn the second day, so the Tundra probably won't come into play tonight for the first squad, but it will probably come into play for the second squad if the lanes open up that much. It's one of those things that we live and learn, and we make our game plan, and it works out. I have no voice because I screamed a lot last week, so if I sound a little sick, that's why, because I have no voice. Brandon's on B squad, me and Dad are on C squad, so let's go watch some bowling.
Got all 10s twice in a row.
And you know what? You even hit the pocket that time. Okay, here, you know what? This is what you got to do right now. Take a deep breath, relax the shoulders, and try to repeat that one again. If you do, you will have your first triple of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Might be your first 3 clean frames in a row today.
I've had that. This is quality content that doesn't need to go on a blog.
You know what does need to go on a blog? You getting your first triple.
That is true.
All right. Hey, just to make you aware of something, I know you've been on the top of the leaderboard many a times.
But I'm on the bottom right now.
You are in last place on this entire squad.
Awesome.
Okay? It's not a good feeling, but you know what? There is one place to go, and it's only up.
Oh, yeah.
just saying. Guy's striking like it's his job. Oh, it is his job. Unbelievable moment. Thank you. Really, really do. Appreciate it. Like, really do.
Well, not really sure what the heck just happened. I really don't have any words. I'm just kind of speechless, honestly. I felt like my ball reaction was pretty good in practice, in the practice session. I didn't know it was that good. I mean, it was one of those days that everything just works. Everything just worked. Never really got tapped. Every time I hit the pocket, I struck. It felt like every move that I made, whether it was 3 and 2 and hit it harder or throw it harder and be aggressive, it worked every time. It felt like 257 over, second place. Holy crap, wow. That just happened. And Brandon, on the other hand, is 437 behind me. Don't know that I would have expected that, considering I'm 1 spot from the top and he's 6 spots from the bottom. But that's how bowling works sometimes. Dad's in the middle of us. He's about 20 under right now. But man, wow. What really worked well for me today was the game plan that I had and staying committed to it. Thought through every decision that I made, really stuck to my process, and really never got ahead of myself. It was really a 1 frame at a time mindset today. And it just worked. It really did just work. Through the hazmat, the new one that I drilled all 5 games yesterday. Shout out Jason Sterner. He gave me that suggestion to drill that ball, and it worked out pretty well. And just gotta hope that we keep riding that same wave. We still got 10 games left of qualifying. Anything can happen. Brandon said it to me after he got done bowling. He said, "You know what? This is the Masters. Anything can happen." He's hoping for the day of his life tomorrow, and I'm hoping to just keep up that same momentum and honestly just keep sticking to the game plan. Me and Dad bowl on the burn tomorrow on the second squad of the day. Brandon bowls on the fresh, so hopefully the fresh is a little bit nicer than Brandon, and hopefully I can keep going what I got. Don't really want to look too far ahead at really anything. Just kind of want to keep the same process going, stick to the one-shot mindset at a time, and hope that the pins keep falling. So link will be down below. If you want to follow along with the scores, you can watch all week long on the live stream on Bowl TV. And signing out, day 1 at the USBC Masters, second place, 437 ahead of Brandon. That's a lot. That's a lot. But yeah, that's about all I got. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.